If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Learn Quran ayah by ayah, word by word. Lesson 3. We're still learning the Surah Fatiha, and we are at the third ayah. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the Day of Judgment. Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the Day of Judgment. Malik, master or owner. Malik, master or owner. In some qira'ah, it is Malik, meaning king. Some qira'ah, master or owner, and some qira'ah, king. Malik. Yom, day. Yom, day. Deen, judgment. Deen, judgment. Deen actually means recompense or jaza. Recompense, jaza. So Malik Yawmiddin, master of the day of recompense. Yawmiddin, the day of judgment or the day of recompense. Yawmiddin, the day of judgment. So if we look, Yom is mudaf and Ad-Din is mudaf ilayh. Yom is mudaf and Deen is mudaf ilayh. And Malik is mudaf also, mudaf, and Yawmiddin mudaf and mudaf ilayh together becomes mudaf ilayh of the Malik mudaf. Again, if you have not taken the course, please take the course. Once you learn the mudaf ilayh, it is very easy or become very easy to understand the meaning. So mudaf ilayh gives you the meaning of. Whenever you say of, you see of or apostrophe, it gives the meaning of. It's mudaf ilayh. So Yawmiddin, the day of judgment. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. And now we have to look why it is getting kasra. Maliki Yawmi and Dini. And let's see. Let's look at the whole 3 ayah. And we have studied that the lam is harf jar, is preposition, and the word Allah is mawsuf, and Rabbil Alameen is mudaf ilayh, becoming the first sifa of mawsuf. And Ar-Rahman is the second sifa of mawsuf, and Ar-Rahim is the third sifa of mawsuf, and Malik Yawmiddin becomes mudaf ilayh, and also becoming this fourth sifa of mawsuf. They are the attributes of the word Allah. The first attribute is, or sifa is, Rabbil Alameen. Who is Allah? Rabbil Alameen. Who is Allah? Ar-Rahman. Who is Allah? Ar-Rahim. Who is Allah? Malik Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. So these are all sifa of the word Allah, and Allah is mawsuf, and all they are all coming under the jar, and they're all becoming majroor. That's why they are getting kasra or zair. Rabbi lillahi. See, lam lillahi, the word Allah, the ha has getting kasra. Lillahi, Rabbil Alameen. The Rabb getting kasra. Ar-Rahmani, Ar-Rahimi, Maliki. Say they all getting kasra because of the harf jar lam, which is the in the word lillahi. So they are jar majroor. They all becoming all the sifa with mawsuf. They all becoming the majroor of jar. And also again, inshallah, if you take the course, inshallah, you will understand the mudaf ilayh mawsusifa, and it will become very easy to understand the meaning of Quran and why these harakat are, why it's getting zer or zabar or pesh or dhamma. They all have a different meaning. When the kasra or fatha or dhamma changes to each other, it changes the meaning. And inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you tawfiq and give you the ability to take the course, inshallah, and to study, inshallah. So alhamdulillahi, all praise be to Allah. Alhamdulillahi, all praise be to Allah. Rabbil Alameen, Lord of the worlds. So Alameen, not just words. Alam is like insan, human is an alam, angels another alam. So these are different, all the alameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Lord of all the alameen. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, Master of the Day of Judgment. Maliki Yawmiddin, Master of the Day of Judgment. So this is it for this video. Now it is your time to study. Try to repeat these again and again. Try to memorize each word with the meaning, inshallah, and the whole ayah with the meaning. So inshallah, time will come that you will know the whole Quran by meaning, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.